हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की जो वीडियोस में हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे हम जो हमारी फैब्रिक पेंटिंग्स आते हैं उन्हें कैसे हम प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं। तो फैब्रिक पेंटिंग इज माय चाइल्डहुड हॉबी एंड आई हैव मेड सो मेनी आर्ट वर्क्स एंड आई हैव preserved them. So I have followed these tips and tricks and they have really given good results to me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's start. So this whole procedure is divided into three major steps. Like there is a pre-procedure, then post-procedure, and during the painting. When you're doing that, you need to follow certain steps, and that will help you make your painting, make your art durable, and it's gonna last longer. For example, आपने कुर्तीज बनाई है या बेडशीट्स बनाई हैं या कुशन कवर्स हैं, तो these are the things which you are going to use on a daily basis, and you're going to use them frequently. You need to follow certain steps so that कि ये थोड़ा लंबे सालों के लिए चले. So starting with the pre-procedure first, what you need to do is that make sure कि आप अच्छे से अपने जो cloth है उसको wash करें, because there is some chemicals which are applied over the cloth to give its specific characteristics, and if we talk about the technical term, it's called sizing. So you need to remove that. So for that you can wash in a normal detergent, and after that properly iron it and then apply colors over it. So this is the pre-procedure which you need to follow. And when you apply the frame over it, the wooden frame, to tighten the fabric, make sure that it's properly tightened. Otherwise, if the fabric is loose, then the paint is not going to stick to it properly, and then it's going to crack afterward, or वो निकल जाएगा या अच्छे से it won't come up. Okay, so this was the pre-procedure which you need to follow. Now talking about during the procedure, so you can add a medium, 2-3 parts of medium into your color, into your acrylic colors, and it can really help improving the adhesiveness of the color over the fabric. Also it helps in improving the consistency of the color. Suppose you want the color to be a little thin, for example if you want to create watercolor effect on the fabric, there you can use a medium. You can put some parts of medium, fabric medium. ये bottle आती है एक, don't worry, I have mentioned all the products in the description box, you can check out it there. So after you're done with your painting and you have painted the fabric, whichever fabric you wanted to paint, now what you have to do is, you suppose you have painted on this side, right? You have painted on this side, you have to flap it and you have to iron it from this side. So on the opposite side, you have to iron it exactly after 24 hours, and when the paint is completely dried, and iron it properly. So this heating effect creates some reaction between the color and the fabric. I don't know the technicality, but yeah, it just fixes the color to the fabric, and believe me, it's gonna stay so much longer than the normal. So after you're done with the ironing thing and everything, and now your piece is ready. Handmade things, they always need more care, and they're more sensitive than your usual digitally printed cloths, because they are handmade, so they need extra care. For that you need to use mild detergents and soaps over it. Even I would say that you should prefer washing your clothes in easy, and that too with your hands, shampoo, or else you can even wash them in shampoo. Another tip which you can follow is that if you want to hand paint something, if you have some idea and you want to hand paint something, some suit or anything, any top, any kurta, make sure that you go for 100% cotton, because 100% cotton is like for acrylic colors or fabric colors, 100% cotton is a good base. Even though you can go for silk and organza as well, or other fabrics, but the durability I feel is the maximum for cotton. So always go for cotton. Like you can go for really pastel colors, and they can come up really amazing. Always make sure that you put in a newspaper. For example, you are painting a shirt or a pillow cover, make sure that you put in the newspaper into it, otherwise the color will get seeped to other side of your thing, or your pillow, or your like whatever you are painting. If you add on these little things, your fabric painted things can last really longer. It does feel bad अगर हमने कुछ बनाया है and वो जल्दी ही खराब हो जाए, तो we put so much effort into it. हम बहुत मन से कोई चीज बनाते हैं, and तो कुछ चीजें फॉलो करके we can preserve it, हम उसको और लंबा चला सकते हैं, तो why not do that. So ये सारे points make sure कि आप follow करो, and I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी and कुछ सीखा होगा आपने इससे, कुछ हेल्प कर देगी आपकी थोड़ी बहुत. And if it does, make sure that you hit the like button, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if somebody around you they are into fabric painting, तो उन्हें भी ये वीडियो शेयर कर देना. So I'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take good care of yourself, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. It's sapna.sharma0203. Bye bye.